of the setup to you. We have cables here, we have boards here, and we have two different motors here. So let me introduce you the equipment. So this is our master card, which will communicate, which will help us to communicate between the computer and the SMD actuator cards. Then we have RJ11 cable, which will help us to communicate between the SMDs and also SMDs with master card. Also we have power-to-power cable, which will help us to distribute the power between two SMDs. We have A to A cable here. We will connect this to the master card, and the other side is connected to the computer. And we have also the main power supply here. So let me start by connecting the one of them. Yes, so now I will open the SMD application.
Hello everyone, this is our Acrome Smart Motor Driver application and I am going to try to explain it. First of all, we have some tabs here at the left side, scan, configuration, control, sensors and settings, and at the below we have read parameters, write to EEPROM, factory reset and reboot, and we have some explanation here. First of all, when we click the scan actuators, it will try to detect how many actuators are connected to it, to the master card. And as you can see, we have SMD brushed ID 0. We have IDs of these cards, and this is the 0 ID. Then when we double click it, this page is welcoming us, and at the first part we have the ID number, then baud rate, then operating mode, torque enable and disable, auto-tuner enable and auto-tuner method. At the bottom we have motor selection part, it's count per revolution and RPM, revolution per minute. Then at the below also some explanation are welcoming us. So first of all, I will enable the motor by clicking to the torque enable, and now our motor is enabled. Then I will change the mode to velocity. We have 4 modes: position, velocity, torque and PWM. And after clicking the velocity, let's go to the control tab, and at this page we can give set point to the motor, and we can change its velocity, and we can observe the present velocity here. Then we have control parameters down below, and you can select and change them. Also by auto-tuning them, it will automatically do this for you. Let's give it a try. Let's give some value. So for example, let's give 55. As you can see, the graph is changing. So it's going there. So while it's doing that, let's change it again. For example, let's do this 90. Then let's decrease it. For example, to 13. Yes. So Let me go to the first page again, to the scan part. Now I will connect the second actuator.
So after this, let me connect another actuator to our actuator. Then I will distribute the power between them. And we have our motor here.
Now I will scan again. This time I connect it to SMD card to the system. After I click scan, as you can see, now we have two SMDs here, 0 and 1. So, for example, let's click to the first one. And let's enable it. Then let's select velocity. Nothing is changed. So from here I will give 55 for example again, and after that it starts to increase its velocity. Okay, after this I will go to the second one and I will enable the torque again.
Now I will control both of them at the same time from the application, and I will use the velocity control mode. So from the application, let me select it. Then I will give some velocity to it. And I will select the other actuator and I will give velocity to it. Let me change. Let me increase again. Okay. Let me stop this. Then let me select the other one. And also let me stop it.